Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we have this 2023 Nissan Ariya and we're going to do the Taillight Tint installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how it looks before doing the installation. It's just your regular factory taillight lenses, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing and fading over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. If you like the product, link for the product will be down in the description below. But with that being said, let's just start with the installation video. So the tools you need in order to install the tint kit will be Slip Solution, Tack Solution, a heat gun, squeegee, and a microfiber towel. And a step-by-step guide in order to create the two solutions will be in the description below. So before starting with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the tail lights before we install the tints. So to prep them, just apply Slip Solution all around the tail light. And with your clean microfiber towel, just start going all around the tail light lens and start removing any contaminants that the tail light might have. Okay, so for the next piece here, it's the same thing. Just apply Slip Solution to the tail light lens and Slip Solution to your tint film, and just align it to this edge first. So make sure it's aligned on the top, on the edge here. Okay, so it should be good there. Now all we need to do is just lift the film and apply Tack Solution to start securing this section of the film. And after we secure this section, we can start stretching the film going that way. So secure this section of the film. Make sure you remove all of the solution behind the film. Once this section is secured, we can move on and stretch the film to that edge. So to stretch the film, just lift the film and apply Slip Solution. And all we need to do is just do a light stretch in order to reach the film to this edge here. So lift the film, apply Slip Solution, place it down, make sure this area is dry, and just start stretching the film. Now that we stretch the film to this edge, lift the film carefully and apply Tack Solution underneath and on top of the film. Hold it in position, and with your squeegee, just start tacking the whole film down. And these small fingers here, we could remove them by squeegeeing down, but you can also apply Tack Solution and heat to bring these fingers down. So apply Tack Solution and a little bit of heat, and then just squeegee them down. And just make sure you remove any solution behind the film. And then once you're done tacking down the whole film and you see that there's no more water bubbles behind the film, then we could just start post heating the film, and after that you're done with the installation. So double check, see if there's any water bubbles, and if there isn't, then we can start post heating the film. Okay, so to post heat the film, all you're going to need to do is apply Tack Solution all around the film that we installed. You're going to need your heat gun and your microfiber towel. That way, once we apply heat to the tint, we could use our microfiber towel to help absorb any solution that's still remaining on the tint. So just post heat all around, making sure we secure each edge. And after that, we're done with the installation. Okay, so that concludes the installation video for the Taillight tints for the 2023 Nissan Ariya. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. If it did, don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. That way you don't miss any upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you guys on the next one.